Download and use Firefox as the exam environment. Provide Firefox for accessing documents. Whatever the documents link, hyperlinks are mentioned in the question would be open in the Firefox browser. So navigation with the familiarity with the Firefox browser is time saving. So just download Firefox and practice with it. Most of the time we face regarding the YAML, because in Kubernetes.io also you won't get everything whatever you need. So like this is a pod YAML file. So if you want to search in examination, so please control F. Don't try to scroll up or down. It will take a lot of time, and time is very much essential and powerful in examination. So you will get. But if you want again for like container, how many things are there, or you know something, so like explain pod, kubectl explain pod, and this awk and this forward slash, and this is very simple command. You should remember it, and just you can get this, and then you can pick anything and then just paste it here. It means in dot format, dot spec, so you will get a lot of things. But you want to for containers, so just grep it and unt. So you will find these containers here. So just containers, copy it and just paste it here, and you will get whatever things are there with the containers. So you can just find it and you can play with it. It's a very good, and you can get all the information regarding the YAML. You can, third point is, anytime you want help and quick reference, if you search, you'll find this quick reference sheet, and you can find most of the thing here. So familiarity with this thing is very essential. This will help you a lot in examination. Search kubectl reference, so you'll find kubectl references. You can find kubectl command. Sorry, this is, so you have to search kubectl, then command line tool. Here you will get this link, and if you go here in kubectl reference would be there, kubectl command would be there. So kubectl command, if you click, you will get easy everything ready with the, it's good. You could be familiar with the, if you are familiar with this exam this thing, then very good, because here you can control it and you can find the things and you can copy and paste. So this is also very helpful. You should be very familiar with this dry run, so that you can find YAML. Like you can create pod with the command line, and you can find this YAML file, so that you can copy paste and create the YAML file. And yes, we know, I mean, whenever you page would open, you should familiar with the page. Like if PV, then this link would be available with you, but you should know where the YAML file, that I know that at the last, if I'll scroll, I'll get this YAML file very easy. So means whatever version you are working, or whatever version would be latest, you should familiar with the documentation. So, and whatever means, if you are much familiar, you can find the YAML file very easily, and it will save a lot of time. So always try to practice. Like you can create a YAML file from here, copy paste, so that it will save your time. If you know already how to create or write a YAML file, don't do that, because it will eat a lot of time. Just copy and paste from this PVC. So there are two things, PVC. Okay, so in which you will get that documentation. So you should know very well, because persistent volume claim spec. So here actually documentation would help you, because here just write create PV. So here doc page would be there. So in this doc page, I think it's at the last or in middle somewhere. So here, so you can just remember a few common words, so that you can easily, because scrolling would not help you. 100% sure. So just control FEED, because it will feedback. If you will try, it will be in the last, and here you can find that here create a persistent volume and create a persistent volume claim. This is link. So you would be familiar, you should be very familiar where these things are there, because all you need a YAML file of all resources. So whatever resources it is very you can find, then it's very easy. Otherwise you can get it from here also, like this explain command. But you can try this first, and then if find any issue, then you can try with this explain command also. but familiarity with the documentation is very much required. And, be keep and calm. We have already created a video for tips and tricks in SKD and CK A examination. So please go through with that video, and you will definitely have a little idea about how to be good at examination. So thank you so much for your love and support. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.